Welcome to our lesson about creating a sheet metal hem. Let's begin by activating the hem tool. First action to take is to select an edge. Our options: material inside or bend outside. Under type and size, we can select one of 4 different hem types. Closed. Next is open. The third option is teardrop. And the fourth option is a rolled hem. We can specify the length of the hem here. If we use the open hem option, a second input field appears where we can enter the value of the gap distance. The next option is teardrop. With this option, we specify the angle and the radius of the hem. And let's look at the last option, the rolled option. Here we also specify the angle as well as the radius of the roll. Let's return to the closed hem type. Down below, we can specify a custom bend allowance as well as a custom relief type. We also have the option to edit the hem width. Here we can use the regular sketch tools. Let's click back to return to the Property Manager. If I select a second edge adjacent to the first edge, the Mitre Gap option appears. The Mitre Gap can't be less than a certain amount. If, for example, I enter 0.05 and then tab to accept, let's see what happens. SOLIDWORKS requests a correction that lies within the appropriate value spectrum. Please enter a number between 0.09 millimeters and 500,000 millimeters or 50 millimeters. I wanted to point out that the hem tool does have a minor glitch. If I don't correct this error here, and then I select this edge and the opposite edge and try to click OK, I'm not able to. SOLIDWORKS won't allow me to accept. SOLIDWORKS still wants me to fix that gap distance. Let's do it first. Enter 1 millimeter, tab, and now I can unselect this one, select the opposite edge and click OK. And this concludes our lesson about the hem tool.